Well, good morning, Jordan Temple. This is Reverend Richardson. I'm just out here at the church doing a little maintenance work. We are having most of the trees in the rear of our church have been diseased and were dead, and then a few were just in the dying process. So we had to have all of those trees cut down, and now, as you can see, we can see the cemetery directly. And what we're going to do is have to make a decision what we're going to do in the future, if we're going to restore it and put more trees up, or if we're going to put a fence up. Right here you're seeing they're getting ready to pull down one of the trees that's being removed. I believe they've already cut it. Now it's a matter of pulling it down. And he's firing up the saw right now, as you can see. See him right there at the bottom. And he's cutting near the ground. Here we go. Here we go. Real safe, real easy.